Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast in Central Texas. This is Fox 44 Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike LaPoint.
We've got a tornado watch in effect until 8 o'clock this evening for the Waco, Temple, and Killeen area. Back off to the west, you can see counties there in the yellow counties right now, and that goes again until 8 o'clock. Everybody in yellow, but we do have some warnings to pass along. Severe thunderstorm warnings in effect until 6:30 for the Gatesville area, which is in Coryell County, Bell County, and Lampasas County at this time. Here's our exclusive Viper radar. Showers and thunderstorms. This is all associated with the dry line that's moving through our area. We've had enough lift with the dry line to produce some showers and storms, and our main concern as the dry line moves through is hail, and we're seeing some very large hail, and that's why these warnings are in effect. But take a look here right along 84 to the north. One cell beginning to push into parts of Bosque County, but this is the area right now that we are watching. The central and the eastern part of Lampasas pushing over toward Coryell County, and we have to be on the lookout over in Bell County because it's moving in your direction. Here's a tracker right now on this storm cell itself. It's moving off to the east at about 30 miles per hour or so, taking it over toward Lake Waco around 6:32, Woodway 6:36, downtown Waco at 6:41, Robinson at 6:48. But you have to remember, these thunderstorms, inside the thunderstorms, they are pulsating up and down. So right now they've been going up, and that's why we have the warnings that are in effect. And you also notice that little split to the west right now of the Waco area. Here's our hail swath. We want to keep track of the hail here over the last over the last hour or so, and a lot of this activity, again, the northern Lampasas County pushing into Coryell at this moment, and some more central and the northern part there of Lampasas County as it treks off to the east. It's been very, very active, very severe. We're talking from the Dallas area over toward Fort Worth. Numerous reports there, some very large hail. They had pictures there of funnels around the region as well. Again, that though is starting to be associated with the cold front. The cold front still back to our northwest. We still have to deal with that as we go throughout the evening. But right now what we are dealing with is the dry line, and that main threat with the dry line happens to be large hail. Timing on the cold front now, 6 to 8 o'clock this evening. I expect the cold front to be moving into our western viewing area over toward Gatesville, Hillsboro, Hamilton. Between 8 and 11 o'clock this evening, up and down I-35, pushing over toward the Cameron area and then down toward the Brazos Valley, somewhere between about 11 and 2 o'clock in the morning. It will be exiting the area. And again, the main concern with the cold front will be those high winds. Can't rule out some large hail, but with the cold front itself, those gusty winds over 60 miles per hour definitely will be a concern. Take a look at our futurecast as I put this into motion. This is at 8 o'clock already starting to throw out showers and storms, which could be severe here across our area by 8 o'clock. Want to stop the clock at 9. It begins to move just to the east of the Temple area. By 10 o'clock, there's the front. Showers and thunderstorms from Mexia down toward Hearn and Cameron, and it looks like by 11 o'clock, as expected, moving through the Brazos Valley, and there's midnight too with that heavy rainfall and the possible wind over 60 down toward Bryan and College Station before it exits the area. Backside, though, we'll start to bring some instability showers here as we start the day tomorrow. Nothing severe tomorrow, and then we clear it out for a rather cool weekend here across our area. And then we have to deal with the wind, too. Just remember, once that system moves through, we've got a wind advisory that goes until 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Tonight, though, showers and thunderstorms are likely. Some of these may be severe, 40 degrees, the low temperature. And then again, a 30% chance of rain in the morning with that wind advisory, slow clearing, and 55 degrees the high. As we look ahead, this is the Family RV long-range 10-day forecast. Cool weather as we hit the weekend. Matter of fact, temperatures running well below average. Hit and miss rain. Those nighttime lows getting awfully chilly. Low to mid-30s over the weekend. You're going to need to cover up the plants, those new flowers you just bought. And the same story down toward Bryan and College Station. A 40% chance of rain in the morning. Temperatures in the 50s over the weekend and staying below average to start the week. Nighttime lows will be in the 30s. But the most important thing right now, the severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for Bell County as well as Coryell County and Lampasas County. That all runs basically until 6:30 this evening. Hail is the big threat at this moment, so you want to make sure you park your car in the garage if you can, or a carport. Just kind of pick up everything too, because we are getting some strong winds as well. Yeah.